Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide the desktop recycle bin in Windows 11. First, you can see the recycle bin on the desktop. Then, right-click somewhere and click Personalize. In this window, click on Themes. After this, click on the option Desktop Icon Settings. In the pop-up window, you are going to uncheck the recycle bin box. Click Apply and OK. As you see, the recycle bin will not be visible on the desktop. If you want to access the contents of the trash, open the File Explorer and enter Trash in the name bar. Select Recycle Bin and you will see its contents. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.